Hey guys, we are on a hike right now, and going up to a tower, and we will get back to you when we're about halfway up there. Guys, we're taking a break. We are. You guys want to be in the vlog? Jamie, you're in it. Look at this, though.
Mason. Here.
Yeah, guys, so, we're about more than halfway up there. About 60-70% up the way to the tower. So, we will get back to you. Up at the tower, it's up there in the area we've come so far. Pretty beautiful up here, guys. Yeah. Stay tuned. We are in this little hut thing. Pretty cool. We're almost at the thing, and we're getting pictures done for me. And we will let you know. We are about to go up these stairs. Look at that, guys. Yeah, so we're about to walk up these. Okay, this is a really sketchy place, and we'll get back to you when we're up there. Bye. Hey guys, we are at the top, guys. This is an amazing view. Wow. We are right up here. This hike is located in Norwich, Vermont. It's a pretty easy hike. Other than the fact that yeah, it's a pretty basic hike. And then when you're up at the tower, you're like 200 feet up. So it's like how tall do you think we are, including the height, the mountaintop?
About 1,800 feet.
Yeah, we're about 1,800 feet, maybe, give or take. So this is breathtaking. And we're gonna stay up here until we're just gonna stay up here, and then until the sun set, and then we're gonna head down. And yeah, guys, so stay tuned. Yeah, guys, look at this view up here. Holy crap. It's breathtaking, guys. It truly is. And look at that. You got a camera set up. Guys, we just got done hiking. So it's a really awesome hike. If you are in this area, please come check it out. Norwich, Vermont. So, yeah, guys.